Hello everybody, I'm Valentin from the Wise Owl channel, and today we will be looking at unusual creative ideas. We will take a very well-known song example, and after that we will be looking at an even stranger way to create songs, which is by throwing a dice. So let's do this.
Where do we go now? Where do we go?
Before we start, if you already maybe know a way to create a song or even used this way in your songwriting, please share this so that everybody can see your comment, can come up with their ways of creating song, and let's expand this knowledge. So use the comment section below to contribute. So we have the main guitar player slash fooling around just as an exercise doing this riff. Then we had the other guitar player saying, well, that's cool, let me come up with some chords to that. And then the bass player, joined in and said, that's awesome, let me come up with a bass line and I will write a bass solo. And then the singer Axl Rose said, well, that's a great one, and let me write some lyrics and a melody to this.
She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories.
And even after that, Slash wrote two solos, one emotional and one crazy hard rock, to get to what we know today, maybe 80% of what we know today. But after that point, they got stuck. They felt like they want to continue the song, but they didn't know how. So in that moment, Axl asked himself, so where do we go now? And the producer thought, well, that's great, let's use that. Let's continue the song with that line.
Where do we go now? Where do we go?
That's unusual, right? So if you are stuck, just use the first thing that comes up to your mind. Like in a brainstorming session, everything is good. Maybe you're taking a call for a pizza delivery and they will say I wish you a nice day, and then you go, I wish you a nice day. So how do you create a song? By throwing a dice, So each number of the dice represents a note. So we'll be having plenty of material, 6 notes, which is great because many songs actually use 5 notes or less. And we will be throwing the dice 6 times to obtain a melody, a hook. So let me do that. And let's now hear the awesome melody that we've created. Folks, I can hardly wait to hear your ideas in the comment section below. If you made it so far, you probably liked the video, so hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more quality videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.